What if I told you your iPhone can already do things that most people have no idea exist? You can install apps without typing your password, make purchases instantly with just your face, lock your iPhone so no one can snoop, and even set up features that could literally save your life. And the crazy part, these are already inside your iPhone right now. Today, I'm showing you 10 amazing things your iPhone can do. And trust me, number 5 might be the most important one. This is the first one. Your iPhone can install apps without typing your password every single time. Here is how it works. Open the App Store, download any free app. Tap Get. Now double click the side button. Look at your iPhone and that's it. Face ID installs the app instantly. No password, no typing, just your face. If this doesn't work for you, here is how to enable it. Go to the settings, tap Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode, make sure iTunes and App Store is turned on under Use Face ID 4. Now try again in the App Store, double click, look at the phone and it installs. Now number 2, you can make purchases using Face ID, including contactless payments. Go to the settings and tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode again and make sure contactless and payments is enabled. This allows you to make contactless payments using Face ID. Now when you're at a store terminal, authenticate with Face ID and purchase is done. It's fast, it's secure, and you never need to pull out your card. Number 3 is extremely powerful. It's called guided access. This lets you lock your iPhone to a single app so nobody can leave it. Perfect if you give your iPhone to a child or if you show someone a photo and don't want them swiping around. Here is how to enable it. Go to the settings, tap accessibility. Scroll down to guided access, turn it on. Now open any app, triple click the side button, or you can even add it to the control center. Just swipe down the screen and you can enable it from the control center as well. Before you tap start, look at the bottom and tap options or session settings. Here you can customize everything. You can disable the side button, disable volume buttons, turn off motion, turn off keyboards, disable touch completely, even set a time limit. After you choose your settings, tap Start. Set a passcode and remember it. Now the iPhone is locked to that app only. They cannot exit, they cannot switch apps, they cannot access anything else. To exit guided access, triple click the side button and enter your passcode. This feature is seriously underrated. Number 4. Did you know anyone can swipe left on your lock screen and open your camera? Even if your iPhone is locked, this might not sound dangerous. But here is the problem. You might accidentally swipe the camera in your pocket and it stays open, draining your battery. Or someone could access the camera without your permission. Here is how to disable it. Go to the settings, tap camera, scroll down and toggle lock screen swipe to open camera off. Now the camera can't be opened from the lock screen. Number 5, this one can literally save your life. Medical ID. Go to the settings and search for medical ID. Here you can add your medical conditions, allergies, blood type, medications, and more. But here is the most important part. Add emergency contacts. Scroll down to emergency contacts and add someone, your father, your spouse, your brother, or your friend. Then make sure Show When Locked is turned on. Now imagine someone has an accident. A person can pick up their iPhone, hold the power button and volume button, tap medical ID, and immediately see important health information. They can also call the emergency contact directly from there. That contact number might be the difference between life and death. Please set this up. Number 6, stop people from accessing your control center when your iPhone is locked. If someone steals your iPhone, they can turn on airplane mode and disconnected from the internet. That makes it harder to track. Here is how to prevent that. Go to the settings, tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode, scroll down to Allow access when locked. Turn off Control Center. Now nobody can swipe down and access it without unlocking your phone. Number 7, make sure screen even dimmer than the lowest brightness. Perfect for nighttime use. Go to the settings, tap Accessibility, tap Display and Text Size. Turn on Reduce White Point. Adjust the slider to your liking. You can also add this to Control Center. Now you can quickly enable or disable it anytime. Your eyes will thank you. Number 8, the Shortcuts app is where your iPhone becomes smart. You can automate almost anything. For example, make your iPhone speak when you connect the charger, get notified when your battery reaches 80%, turn off mobile data automatically when connected to a specific Wi-Fi, open specific apps at certain times of the day. The possibilities are endless. I've made detailed videos about powerful automations and I'll leave them in the description below. If you haven't explored shortcuts yet, you're missing out. Number 9, stop typing. You can write messages, notes, emails just by speaking. Open messages or notes, tap on the keyboard, tap the microphone icon next to the space bar, start speaking. Your iPhone converts your voice into text instantly. If you don't see the microphone icon, here is what to check. Go to the settings, tap General. Tap Keyboard, make sure Enable Dictation is turned on. Once that's enabled, you can use voice typing almost anywhere. It saves so much time. And finally, number 10, share your location instantly. Press and hold the Maps app icon, tap Send My Location. You can do the same with Google Maps. No typing directions, no explaining landmarks. Just send your exact location in seconds. And that's 10 amazing things your iPhone can already do right now. Now I am curious, how many of these did you actually know? If you learned something new, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you love discovering hidden iPhone features, make sure you subscribe because your iPhone can do way more than you think. And I'll show you how.